Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing some WeatherTech FloorLiner HP floor liners for the SuperCrew area in Ford F-150 trucks. Let's get into it. Okay, like I mentioned, these are going to be the rear liners for the rear seats in a SuperCrew Ford F-150 pickup truck. These are laser measured, very vehicle specific liners. If you're familiar with WeatherTech, you're probably familiar with their flagship product, the FloorLiner, which was a laser measured vehicle specific liner that fits all the various contours and such of your vehicle to make sure that you're fully protected in the footwells of the vehicle. And they make them for the front row and the rear row, and this happens to be for the rear row of a Ford F-150. I believe this is 2021 through, might be 2025, I'm not sure. But these, and they may also fit the Super Duty, I'm not sure. The F-150 and the Super Duty are very similar. There might be a little bit of difference where they had to do a different liner, but we do all make that very clear on our website at upfitsupply.com in terms of which one you need. Now this is just gonna be a huge liner right here because it fits underneath the seats a little bit. We go underneath the driver and the passenger seat up front, come all the way down and basically butt up against the little tool area underneath the seats. So just massive liner right here. You can see we do have some raised lips right here and on this side as well on the edges. So this is going to retain any moisture and things like that that come into the vehicle from your shoes, boots, things like that. It's not going to seep off the edge of the liner and get onto the carpet, the concentrated area and things like that. If you look at the back side of this, you can see we have all of these little spikes, if you will, that are going to keep this from shifting and moving around in the vehicle. Now the fact that it is laser measured and fits all the contours in the back of the truck, this really isn't going to shift around all that much to begin with, but just these added spikes are going to make it really securely in place. Now this feels very kind of a tactile, rubbery surface, if you will. It's very grippy. You're not going to slide around on here. This is plastic, but it doesn't feel like a plastic. And now one of the benefits of the material that they use is there's none of that off-gassing that you're gonna get from a lot of those other products that are out on the market. This is gonna be no scent to it at all once it's in the vehicle. Another great thing about it is it's just a one-piece design. Once it gets dirty, you pull it out, you hose it off, you put it back in, and you're good to go. Another great thing about WeatherTech is all their products are made in the USA. They are big made in the USA people. A lot of these products are made right in their facility there in Chicago, Illinois. So a great product from a USA-based company. Now when ordering this, because it is a very application-specific product, it's going to be a different size liner for the SuperCrew versus just the regular, the extended. It's also going to be a different product if you have a Silverado or a Ram 1500 or a 2500 or things like that. So make sure you're getting all those specs right before placing your order. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.